Back in December 2024, an asteroid named YR4 was discovered by the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System in Hawaii. Scientists examining its flight path gave us some upsetting news, that there was a chance of this city-killer asteroid the size of a 10-story building striking the Earth on December 22nd, 2032. Further data has confirmed that there is no longer any threat of this impact. However, there is still a 4.3% chance that it may strike the moon. What does that mean? Well, let's start off with explaining what an asteroid is. Unlike comets, which are made of ice and dust, an asteroid is just a big rock floating through space, in this case, orbiting our sun. Now, based on the data we've collected, there is a chance that asteroid YR4 could strike the moon. And although it's been dubbed a city killer here on Earth, there are no cities, or wildlife, or ecosystems to damage on the moon. So while it would be quite the impact, it would simply result in another crater on the already heavily cratered surface of our moon. And where did all those other craters that are already there come from? Well, most of those were formed by other asteroid impacts, actually. The predicted flight path of YR4 shows that the impact, if any, would take place on the near side of the moon, meaning that depending on where you are on the Earth at the time, you might actually be able to see the impact. So it makes a crater, but where does all that material that's ejected from the crater go? Well, some of that heads towards us here on Earth, but it burns up in our atmosphere as an incredible series of shooting stars, and quite possibly the largest meteor shower that any of us will ever see. Now, it is possible that those same meteors could cause significant damage to any of our satellites or off-Earth missions occurring at the time. But we won't know much more until asteroid YR4 gets close enough to collect more data in 2028.